Welcome everybody. In this video I'm going to show you how to use BandLab app. Just watch and follow this video till the end. Open BandLab like this, and you see here the home page where you can post some posts, and you can find here trending videos, and also you can find a community post like like Instagram, like Facebook. So right now guys, if you go back to the top and you click here, you can find your profile. Here is my profile and my old post. If you click here, you can find the settings where you can find and manage and control your settings inside your BandLab app. And if you want to share your profile, just click on this crop and back. So here, if you click on this search icon, you can find here your search. You can search for everything from here, and if you go right now and click here, you can find like beats, some beats, trending all beats, and search for it. And from here, if you click, you can find your library where you can find your project, your history, your collaboration. And guys, if you want to create a song or create or record a voice, click here on this plus, and from here you can record. Just choose how you want to do that. Choose right now your beat and everything, and you can do it. As you can see, the application of BandLab is very useful. I hope this video was useful too. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.